Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to save photos from Snapchat to our gallery. Are you guys to want to save amazing Snapchat images to your own gallery? Let's find out. First, we have to open our Snapchat tab. Then tap on this account icon at the left right corner. Now we have to tap on this G icon and scroll down and select memories. Then we got this window. Here select save button. Here we have to select memories and camera roll. If you don't want to save images to memories, just select camera roll only. That's how we save photos to our gallery from Snapchat. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.